Hello everybody, how you doing? My name is Designed by Zarko, if you didn't know already, and welcome to a new Photoshop tutorial. So if it's your first time watching me, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell to get notifications for new videos. And also follow me on my Instagram, because everything I post there, I make a video on YouTube about it. Like this picture I'm gonna show you now, and basically just go ahead, link in the description. I'm gonna show you my process of editing pictures using Photoshop only and camera. Without any further ado and without wasting any of your time, let's get started. So I found this picture on Splash and I thought it would be really cool to use it, because the guy is sitting on the edge and it's a really cool picture. So I use quick selection tool to cut him. When I was finished with quick selection tool, I make a mask obviously, and I decided to use the brush tool to fix some parts that I couldn't cut with the quick selection tool. I found this really cool picture of the Earth on the, I think, Pixabay, and I used the new guide layout so I can select from the circle and make a perfect circle selection of the Earth. Then I adjust it, rotate it here and there, make it smaller. Then I found this really cool sky, I just adjusted it to the picture. So I make a new layer of levels, of course, and I went to auto options to blend the guy with the colors of the background. Next thing, I use blur gallery to blur the guy. So I went and made a gradient of a white color radial type to make a light coming from the top left corner. So basically here I just duplicated a layer, make it like play with a blend modes, make it overlay, make it soft and stuff, and I decided to create a full white layer with like light direction, just like this. I cut this and I filled this with white, and I just reduced the opacity and changed the blend mode. So I found this really cool like glow, sun glow flare on the Google, and I decided to add it, and then I duplicated it multiple times. It is coming from the top left, from all, like into the all directions, and I just deleted a little bit to make it like more seamless, adjusted and stuff like that. Here I took a brush and I decided to smooth out the rough edges. I added a third to the top left, and then I started blending in the earth, making highlights to the top left because there's light, and making dark parts the rest of the earth, of course. So here I decided to delete the light behind Earth, because there's no light behind the Earth, right? Because Earth is blocking the light from the top left. And basically first time I screwed up because the direction was bad, but I had to do it again, but I'm just gonna skip through it because I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so basically I again play with the lightning because I wanted the highlight parts to be a little more brighter. Again, I wanted the light behind the earth to be a little bit more darker. And I decided that I actually don't like the sky. I don't like, it's too much stars. So basically I found this picture of a sky with less stars, and I thought it looked way cooler. So basically here I added the color balance to the guy right here, so I can like color balance him to the background to add more like bluish. Then I was still fixing like the lights on the earth. I decided that these edges of the light are too sharp and I want to smooth them out. So basically I just took a brush and smooth them out, I guess. I expanded the star background because it looked kinda, I would say, narrow. And I added the moon, of course, because Earth has moon, right? I got him, but this time pretty easily. And I added him just there. I started doing the same thing I did to Earth. And we're close to the end, don't worry. I added like this bokeh dust effect to the light parts, because you know when you look at the light and you see like the dust, yeah, that's about it. And I changed the color of the bokeh to white because it was yellow. I don't know why, but white looks better, of course, because there's a white light source coming from the top left corner. Using this gradient thing, I decided to make the light, the further the light go, the less you can see it. It's not as strong as in the center of the light source, right? And then I made a new layer, merge everything into that layer, make it convert it to smart object, and in the end, camera raw filter, where the magic happens. So here, basically what I do is just I play with the options, so I just see what looks good and what does not look good. I like to go to the presets and see the creative presets because they can be really good. So this is like before and after. I think it's pretty awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. And if you want to recreate this image, go ahead, you're free to do it. But if you want to post it on social media, make sure to give me a credit, alright? That's it. So see you guys in the next video. Peace!